In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and use Excel spreadsheet in OneNote. If you want to keep your notes, tables, and spreadsheet data together in one place, OneNote makes that really convenient. Adding an Excel spreadsheet to a notebook is a simple way to organize supporting files alongside your meeting notes, project plans, or class materials, so everything is easy to find later. To begin, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're in the notebook and page where you want the spreadsheet to appear. This is important because the file will be inserted directly into the current page, so it helps to choose the correct section before moving on. Once your notebook is open, go to the Insert tab at the top of the OneNote window. The Insert menu is where you'll find options for adding different kinds of content to your notes, including files, images, and spreadsheets. If you're following along for the first time, take a second to notice where this tab is, since you'll likely use it often when building more detailed notes. Under the Files options, click Spreadsheet. This tells OneNote that you want to add an Excel-related file to the page. Depending on your version of OneNote, this may open a file selection prompt or give you choices related to spreadsheet insertion. Just continue with the spreadsheet option shown on your screen. Next, choose the option to use an existing Excel spreadsheet. This is the right choice when you already have the workbook saved on your computer and want to bring it into OneNote rather than creating something new from scratch. It's a useful feature if you already track budgets, lists, schedules, or reports in Excel and simply want quick access to them from your notes. After that, locate your file. Browse to the folder where the Excel spreadsheet is saved, select it, and confirm your choice. If your files are organized in advance, this step will be much faster, so it can help to know the file name before you start. Once the spreadsheet is inserted, it becomes part of your OneNote page, making it easier to reference related data without leaving your notebook. This is especially helpful when you're reviewing information during meetings or studying from one central location. And that's all it takes to insert and use an Excel spreadsheet in OneNote. Follow these steps anytime you want to connect spreadsheet data with your notes in a more organized and practical way.